As a trained research and development engineer, which is something quite unusual for elected politics, far from a political advisor, I have the ability to recognise that this huge change in our society and the changes that we face and the challenges that we face because of automation, digitalisation and artificial intelligence, those jobs that we consider high-skilled will be done by robots, will be done by machines. But this change is happening, whether we like it or not, and whether we resist it or not, and we have to manage that transition. But one of my roles as an engineer was to manage change, and we must learn from examples where governments have managed change catastrophically badly. And in my community of Allen and Deeside, we've seen that firsthand. We still feel the pain of that firsthand. We were thrown to the wolves when deindustrialisation happened in the 80s. It was an unmanaged set of change by a Thatcherite ideologies, and it damaged lives and it damaged life chances. As I say, we still feel the pain in Allen and Deeside. And at the last election, the UK Tories they recognised this, and they claimed and talked about levelling up. Well, that just simply hasn't happened. And now, we see that, don't we? Now, they are fast abandoning that ship and these promises, and they're even talking about a return to the Thatcherite nightmare that is associated with Allen and Deeside, the single biggest mass redundancy in Europe. Acting Presiding Officer, it will fall to more bold forces to manage this change properly, to manage and explore the bold policy solutions like a universal basic income. And our Conservative members, and they shout it, and they have shouted it before, they shout that it can't be done. But didn't they claim that when our beloved NHS was first mooted and then delivered by Welsh Labour? So, colleagues, I do commend this motion to the Senedd today.